shook through great. He's left behind on a great deep by Perry. Score!
Able to get himself in position to one-time that puck to the back of the net.
Perry's displayed some sweet hands. That's a soft dish right on the tape.
LA setting things up in their own end. To Foley. Fine. Score! Didn't take long, did it?
Rid of that puck quickly, and he did.
Toffoli's displayed some sweet hands. That's a soft dish right on the tape.
Oh, look at this. Wonderful work in close and a brilliant save.
Not often you're all alone in front of the goaltender from...
Score!
Couture's reach allowed him to put this puck just inside the post and in the net.
Eddie, the goalie can only do so much. He's got too much time to make this wonderful deke, and the shot goes up over top of him.
Good centering pass to the slot. Out, score! And the place goes nuts.
Puck support like that, you got to move your feet, move the puck, move yourself, and you're going to be rewarded with a goal.
This shot just overpowers him. He's in the right position. He stops a big chunk of it, but not enough as the puck's in the goal.
Arizona's ahead by...
Doc, it'll be interesting to see which team is able to move the puck.
Score! What a great early start for the home squad.
For elite skating ability, got him to the high slot. He was ready with a stick on the ice and one-timed it into the back of the net.
Yeah, so that's a good shot, but the goaltender's got to stop this. This is low on the glove side. His hands...
What a move! Right near the goal stripe in the corner to Daniel Sedin. Score!
Presence of mind to get to the front of the net, open up, and one-time it in past the goaltender.
Daniel Sedin's able to clear open ice, and he lays a sweet saucer pass on the shooter's stick.
Feeds it in front. Dances in. Shot on. Oh, my.
Solid work by the Oilers.
No room for a pass. He scores! We've got a score in the game other than 0-0 now.
Yakupov's stick was in a ready position, and he one-timed it past the goalie.
The passer recognizes that he's got to get the puck up in the air, but he displays sweet hands as it goes just over the stick and lands flat.